The open roads in Iowa invite you to a new adventure. But before you hit the pavement, you need to ensure your car is protected. Iowa's roads can be unpredictable, from bustling city streets to quiet country lanes. That's why having the right car insurance is crucial. In this video, we've compiled a list of the best car insurance companies in Iowa. We've crunched the numbers, analyzed the reviews, and peeled back the layers of discounts to bring you the top contenders, from budget-friendly options to customer service champions. Whether you're commuting to work in Des Moines or exploring the scenic byways of Iowa, having the right car insurance gives you peace of mind on the road. If you're looking for the best coverage in Iowa, you can also visit FreeAdvice.com to compare auto insurance quotes from top companies in your area. In minutes, you'll have personalized quotes for the best coverage at the lowest prices. Don't leave your car unprotected. Get the coverage you need with the best car insurance companies in Iowa. Let's get rolling. Before we peel back the layers on the best car insurance companies in your neck of the woods, let's get real about the driving scene and the legal lowdown on insurance in the Hawkeye State. Because knowing the rules of the road can save you big bucks when it comes to choosing the right coverage. Every driver needs to meet Iowa's car insurance requirements, and skipping out on it means trouble. All Iowa drivers must have $20,000 in bodily injury liability insurance per person and $40,000 per accident, along with $15,000 in property damage liability per accident. Bodily injury liability covers medical expenses for people you injure in an accident, and property damage liability covers repairs to vehicles and other property you damage in an accident. Now, don't worry, we're not fear-mongering here. We just want you to be informed. That's why we've got a treasure trove of info on car insurance in Iowa, all ready to roll at FreeAdvice.com. There, you can compare quotes from top companies in your area in just minutes. It's the easiest way to find the coverage you need without breaking the bank. Now, to give you a general idea of what you might be looking at, we've crunched the numbers and compiled the cheapest average rates from various companies based on different factors. Let's start with the minimum coverage. The average cost of minimum auto insurance coverage in Iowa is just $22 per month. But don't be fooled by the low price tag. This basic coverage will only pay for damages and injuries you cause to others, not your own car or medical bills. At just $13 per month, USAA takes the crown for the most affordable option. But remember, eligibility is limited to military members and their families. Coming in at a close second is State Farm, with a budget-friendly average rate of $16 per month. If you're looking for the most expensive option on this list, look no further than Allstate, with an average rate of $31 per month. In fact, choosing State Farm over Allstate could help you save $180 annually on your car insurance costs. Be sure to visit our website, FreeAdvice.com. Use our free quote comparison tool to find minimum car insurance rates that fit your budget today. Now, let's shift gears from the bare bones minimum to the peace of mind protection of full coverage. This means covering not just the other guy's damages if you cause an accident, but also your own car in case of an unfortunate fender bender. Sure, it costs a bit more than minimum liability, but trust us, the financial security it offers is worth it. When it comes to full coverage auto insurance in Iowa, finding the right balance between cost and coverage is key. Let's break down the numbers. USAA offers the cheapest average monthly rate for full coverage auto insurance in Iowa at just $55. This is significantly lower than the US average of $119 per month. State Farm comes in second, offering full coverage for just $65 a month, and Nationwide is third, with full coverage options as low as $73 per month. Allstate is once again the most expensive option on average in Iowa, offering full coverage for $126 per month. At this rate, Choosing State Farm over Allstate could help you save $732 a year. When it comes to full coverage car insurance, a little research could save you hundreds a year. So visit FreeAdvice.com to compare car insurance quotes from top providers near you. With car insurance, your driving record can make a significant impact on how much you'll pay for coverage. And, let's face it, life isn't always a smooth cruise down a straight highway. Sometimes, bumps in the road like accidents, tickets, or even a DUI can happen. These incidents can also impact your car insurance rates in a big way. But before you start sweating, remember this: every driver is different. So let's discuss the average monthly rates for full coverage based on different driving records. State Farm offers the cheapest average monthly rate at $65 for drivers with a clean record in Iowa, followed by Nationwide at $73. Liberty Mutual and Allstate, on the other hand, are among the most expensive options for drivers with a clean record, with average monthly rates of $116 and $126 respectively. When it comes to Iowa auto insurance after an accident, State Farm remains one of the most affordable options at just $75 per month, and by choosing State Farm over Allstate, you will save $1,224 annually. With a DUI, your rates could increase by an average of $80 a month, and the impact can last for years. State Farm offers the cheapest average monthly rate at $70, while Travelers is the most expensive at $214. But don't fret. Visit FreeAdvice.com today to find and compare car insurance rates that work with your budget, even with a DUI on your record. You may be surprised at how much you can save on your monthly rates. Now that we've crunched all the numbers, here's the conclusion to our journey through Iowa's auto insurance landscape. On average, Iowa auto insurance costs around $89 per month for full coverage, making it more than 25% cheaper than the national average. However, if you only need to meet the state's minimum auto insurance requirements, you can expect to pay an average of $22 per month, making it one of the cheapest options in the country. But the savings don't stop there. Many insurers offer various auto insurance discounts in Iowa that can further reduce your premium by up to 25% on average. These can include good driver discounts of up to 20% off, low mileage discounts of up to 15% off, multi-policy discounts of up to 10% off, and even safe driving course completion rewards of up to 5% off. By taking advantage of these opportunities and comparing quotes from multiple companies at FreeAdvice.com, you'll find the most affordable car insurance coverage for your needs. And there you have it, Iowa drivers. We've covered a lot of ground. We've discussed the top companies, the key considerations, and now it's time to take the wheel and find the perfect insurance fit for you. Remember, the best rate isn't always the only factor. Consider your needs, driving record, and budget to make an informed choice. And that's where FreeAdvice.com comes in, your one-stop shop for comparing rates and exploring options from top Iowa providers. Forget the hassle. Just pop your zip code into our free auto insurance quote tool and you'll have personalized options at your fingertips in minutes. No more wading through endless websites or phone calls. Compare rates, get quotes, and find the coverage that gives you peace of mind and saves you money. Speaking of saving money, check out our video on the different types of car insurance. You'll learn what types of coverage options are out there and how you can save hundreds by choosing the coverage that's right for you. And hey, if you're already rocking some insurance from the insurers mentioned in this video, share your experience in the comments below. Your feedback helps others make informed choices. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insurance wisdom delivered straight to your screen. And lastly, spread the word. Share this video with your friends, family, neighbours, anyone in Iowa looking for a better insurance deal. Together, let's make the Hawkeye State a haven for smart insurance choices. Visit FreeAdvice.com today, compare car insurance quotes, and hit the road with confidence. Remember, Saving money is always a win, and we're here to help you achieve it.